Hi, I'm Mary Brady, and this is my public lecture review on Einstein and Picasso by Professor Videle and Rachel. So, the new information I learned from this presentation is that Einstein and Picasso are alike because they're contemporaries who are both able to think in abstract and explore the world beyond our perceptions. In 1905, Einstein makes a paper on special relativity, which shakes the foundation of Newtonian physics. So he is really the start of modern science. Where in 1907, Picasso made a painting that is the beginning of modern art called Les Demoiselles d'Avignon, because it explores many different perspectives in one 2D picture. So they're really just the fathers of modern art and science. So something I already knew that was talked about in this lecture was that art allows you to think in the abstract. I am an artist and I often doodle while I'm thinking, and I found it helps me to use all of my brain when learning or when I'm solving problems because it is helping me think creatively. So engineering also demands creativity. Engineering is about solving problems, and I think you can't really solve a problem in the same way that you caused it. So you need to think differently. So something that sparked my curiosity in this lecture. So at the end of the lecture, there was a demonstration of how brainwaves change when doing art versus solving an equation. So the professor had on a headset, and so did the artist. And this headset sent data to a computer about their brain waves when doing these activities. This was interpreted by a software that turned these brain waves into music. So when painting, the music was very calm, but when solving the equation, the music was loud and sharp. So by both doing art and STEM, I can practice using all of my brain waves. So these waves are beta, alpha, theta, delta, and gamma. And I think it is very interesting that although they use different areas of your brain, they need to be used in tandem for the best result. So did it somehow relate to your area of study? As a biomedical engineering major, this lecture relates to me because it concerns all engineers. Adding art to my curriculum will give me practice in thinking creatively and abstractly. In order to innovate, engineers must think outside of the box. And I did some studying on the subject beyond the lecture. I came across a research article on Science Direct called The Inspirational Power of Arts on Creativity. So it says that in the study, participants with open attitudes towards aesthetic experiences were more likely to be inspired and therefore better able to generate creative solutions. So it helps to back up their point that practicing art helps to generate an open mind and ease in